Welcome to the dawn of a new era, where the golden rays of the morning sun meet the cutting-edge steel of our smart factory gates. Watch as heavy trucks, laden with the finest harvest, arrive to deliver the primary essence of our masterfully crafted, pure and natural apple juice. The journey of pure perfection begins with a single, dew-kissed fruit, hand-picked for its vibrant color and exceptional quality from the world's best orchards. This is where nature's bounty meets the pinnacle of human engineering, a massive complex dedicated to capturing the soul of the apple in every drop. As the sensors detect the arrival, the gateway to excellence opens, inviting the raw ingredients into a world of controlled environment and absolute hygiene. Thousands of apples pour into our reception systems, creating a vibrant waterfall of fruit that signals the start of our sophisticated, automated production cycle. Experience the sheer scale of the harvest from within as a mountain of fruit descends into the beginning of its transformation into liquid gold. Mechanical giants awaken, their robotic joints pulsing with blue energy as they calibrate themselves for a day of tireless, high-precision work and sorting. Under the glow of modern lights, every gear and piston moves with the grace of a dancer, preparing to handle each fruit with delicate strength. Our first chapter focuses on the purity of raw materials, ensuring that only the finest essence is allowed to enter the core of our machine. Welcome to the digital gatekeeper, where artificial intelligence analyzes every single fruit at lightning speed to ensure absolute quality for our demanding customers. Integrated sensors and advanced vision systems scan for internal sweetness and external perfection, processing data faster than any human eye ever could possibly manage. Each apple is mapped in 3 dimensions by a grid of lasers, detecting even the smallest bruise hidden beneath the skin's bright, waxy surface. The AI makes its decision in milliseconds, selecting only the elite specimens that meet our strict criteria for taste, texture, and nutritional value. Precision air jets fire with surgical accuracy, removing any apple that fails the test without slowing down the incredible speed of our main production line.
Quality pass.
This sorting symphony ensures that every bottle of juice contains a consistent blend of flavors, mastered by algorithms and executed by advanced pneumatic systems. Observe the rhythmic click of progress as our machinery separates the good from the great, ensuring a 100% success rate in our final selection. From above, the facility looks like a living circuit board, where the flow of organic matter is directed by the invisible hand of smart technology. The brain of the factory never sleeps, processing millions of data points every hour to maintain the highest standards of food safety and quality control. With the selection complete, the chosen ones enter the sterilization zone, moving closer to their final form in an environment of total clinical purity. Efficiency is measured in fractions of a second, where every unit is scrutinized to ensure that nothing less than perfection reaches your glass today. Next, the apples undergo a high-pressure water treatment, where powerful nozzles blast away any remaining impurities in a beautiful display of hydraulic force. Every droplet is a tool for cleanliness, washing the fruit until it shines with a natural brilliance that reflects our commitment to absolute hygiene. In this dance of water and light, we see the beauty of industrial processes, where even the simplest cleaning phase becomes a mesmerizing visual performance. Submerged in an ozone-infused bath, the apples are treated to a microscopic level of disinfection, ensuring that every fruit is completely free of bacteria. Watch as the bubbles work their magic, surrounding each piece of fruit in a protective layer of oxygen that prepares it for the extraction phase. Emerging from their bath, the apples are transitioned onto vibrating screens that gently shake off every excess drop of water with rhythmic precision and care. Massive turbines generate a focused wind that dries the fruit in an instant, preventing any diluted water from affecting the concentration of the final juice. Witness the power of physics as the moisture is stripped away, leaving only the dry, clean skin of the apple ready for the milling process. These apples are now at their peak of cleanliness, shining under the laboratory-grade lighting of our facility like polished jewels in a vault. Cleanliness is not just a standard here. It is an art form, a fundamental pillar that guarantees the safety and quality of every sip you take. Now, the raw power of mechanical engineering takes over as razor-sharp stainless steel blades spin at incredible speeds to begin the transformation process. The solid fruit is transformed into a rich, aromatic pulp in an instant, releasing the deep fragrance of fresh apples that fills the entire room. Behind this process lies the raw force of heavy-duty gears, grinding with a torque that reflects the industrial strength of our modern mechanical universe. The cold press phase begins, where thousands of tons of pressure are applied slowly to squeeze out every drop of juice without using any heat. Watch as the liquid gold bursts forth from the fibers, a pure and concentrated essence that contains the vitamins and flavors of the whole fruit. A continuous river of nectar flows through our sterile channels, moving toward the next phase of its journey in our perfectly synchronized production line. In this high-pressure environment, the true character of the apple is revealed, captured in a liquid state that is as beautiful as it is delicious. The extraction is complete, leaving behind only the dry remains of the fruit, while the precious liquid moves on to be refined and perfected. Nothing is wasted in our circular economy. The solid remains are transported via spiral conveyors to be repurposed as organic fertilizer or animal feed. This is the heartbeat of the factory, where the raw strength of the machines creates the pure, natural juice that our customers love and trust. Cold press technology ensures that every enzyme and nutrient remains intact, providing you with a drink that is as healthy as it is refreshing. The juice now travels through a complex network of stainless steel veins, a closed-loop system where it is protected from any contact with the outside air. Our advanced ultra-filtration system removes any microscopic particles, leaving behind a juice that is perfectly clear and consistently delicious in every single batch. Every step is monitored by our central computer system, ensuring that the refinement process adheres to our strict internal specification for clarity and purity. In the flash pasteurization stage, the juice is heated for just a few seconds to eliminate any spoilage organisms while preserving the delicate flavor profile. Precision is paramount here, as even a 1-degree deviation is corrected instantly by our smart sensors to maintain the perfect balance of safety and taste. Immediately after heating, the liquid is shocked with intense cold, locking in the fresh taste and ensuring a long shelf life without any chemical preservatives. The temperature change is dramatic, a cold embrace that stabilizes the juice and prepares it for the high-speed bottling lines that await it next. Regular automated sampling ensures that every liter of juice meets our premium standards before it is allowed to move forward to the final packaging stage. The refined juice rests in massive sterile tanks, a vast reservoir of natural energy waiting to be delivered to consumers across the entire globe. Human experts work alongside our AI, verifying the chemical balance and nutritional density to guarantee the excellence that our brand is famous for. This is the science of flavor, a meticulous process of purification that respects the original fruit, while maximizing its safety and its overall shelf stability. The bottling stage begins as thousands of glass containers are sterilized under ultraviolet light, ensuring a perfectly clean vessel for our premium apple juice. Nimble robotic arms handle the glass with incredible speed and care, moving with a synchronized grace that minimizes any chance of breakage or error. The pace is breathtaking, a relentless flow of glass moving toward the heart of the filling machine, where the transformation into a finished product occurs. In a split second, the filling nozzles descend, delivering the exact volume of juice into each bottle with an accuracy of within a single drop. The liquid rises evenly across the entire line, a satisfying display of volume control and mechanical precision that defines our modern production philosophy. Caps are applied with a distinctive snap, sealing in the freshness and creating an airtight barrier that protects the juice until it is opened by you. Labels are applied in a blur of motion, wrapping around the glass with perfect alignment to showcase the brand that stands for quality and natural purity. Every bottle receives its own digital identity, a laser-etched code that allows us to track its journey from the orchard all the way to your table. Delta robots work with frantic but precise energy, packing the finished bottles into boxes as they prepare for their final journey to the warehouse. The boxes are sealed and secured, ready to protect their precious cargo during transit, ensuring that every bottle arrives in perfect condition at its destination. From this height, the bottling line looks like a river of glass and light, a testament to the power of automation in the modern world. 12,000 bottles every hour, each one a masterpiece of engineering and nature, moving through our facility with zero room for error or delay. A final visual check ensures that every bottle is flawless, glowing under the inspection lights as a last confirmation of our unwavering commitment to quality. The palletizing robot builds towers of taste, organizing the boxes into perfect cubes that are ready to be moved into our vast automated storage facility. Our warehouse is a world of silent efficiency, where autonomous vehicles navigate the floor to transport finished goods to their designated loading zones for shipping. Robotic cranes reach into the heights of our high bay storage, maximizing every inch of space in a vertical ballet of logistics and smart inventory management. The human touch remains at the helm, directing the machines through digital interfaces, that provide total transparency and control over the entire supply chain. As the day comes to a close, the final pallets are loaded onto waiting trucks, ready to bring a taste of nature to the world. This is the result of our passion. A bottle that holds the heart of the orchard, made possible by the incredible power of the mechanical universe. Pour yourself a glass of the future, where technology doesn't replace nature, but rather honors it by delivering its purest form to your very home. Join us in our journey toward a smarter, more sustainable world of food production, where excellence is the only standard we ever strive to achieve. The mechanical universe, where the rise of automation brings the best of the earth to your doorstep, today, tomorrow, and forever in every